So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to generate an AI image here on Visme. So once Visme is open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the left-hand side of your screen. I want you to go ahead and press on the Photos tab right here in between Graphics and Data. Just simply press on Photos. Now once you're here, if you go all the way to the bottom, you can actually see this option that says Generate AI Image. I want you to go ahead and press on that. Then once you're here, as you can tell, I actually generated an image for myself. But if you want to change the settings or generate a new image, let's go ahead and press on generate new image right here. And where it says describe what you want to create, you can go ahead and select whatever you want. So I'm going to go with dolphins playing golf. Something random. Hopefully it works. I'm going to go ahead and press on create image right here. You can also select the image style if you want as well. You can do photo, 3D model, analog film, anime, whatever the case may be. You can scroll through and find it this way. But we just want to go ahead and do a photo. We're going to go ahead and press on create image. It's now going to take a couple seconds of generating dolphins playing golf. Hopefully this works. And there you go. A whole bunch of different images right here. So if you want to do this one right here, perhaps we use this one right here. It's now going to upload it into the photo, and there you go, we have a dolphin playing golf. So a pretty fun way to generate images using AI on Visme, but that's how you guys can use the AI image generator tool here on Visme. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.